You've just logged into your Mac for the first time. How cool is that? You're kind of getting your bearings, and the first thing you see are widgets. You don't want widgets. You want a nice clean desktop to work with. I am going to show you 2 ways of removing these widgets. The first kind of nuclear way, if you will, would be going down here to your dock and right click anywhere on the dock. And then you go to dock settings. Once that opens up, it's going to automatically open up to desktop and dock. In here, if you scroll down, there is a section for widgets. And in here, there is a show widgets option, and they have a checkbox for on desktop. You simply uncheck that and poof, your widgets are gone. So that's the first way. Maybe you don't want all the widgets to be gone though. Maybe you only want 2 of them gone. So let's go ahead and we're going to close down this desktop and dock option by clicking on the red circle in that left corner. And then I definitely don't want photos. So what you do is you go to the widget that you do not want and you right click on it and you click on remove widget. And I'm going to do that for all of them. I want all these gone. Click out of it and we're going to do remove widget. So let's fast forward to a month from now, or maybe a year from now, and you're deciding, I'd like to have a widget back. How do I get it back? If we go down here to the dock and we go to dock settings and we go over here to on desktop, it's already shown that they're there. How do we get them back? Again, there are 2 ways of getting them back, and it's not through that dock settings option. First way, right click anywhere on your desktop. Doesn't matter where, just right click on it and you have this edit widgets option. You click on that and boom, you have all of the widgets that are available are right here. Now, let's say that you want the weather app back. You can go and you can search for weather. Got to type it properly. And you might be thinking, I'm just going to drag this. Nope. You have to drag it from the right side. So you pick one of these options that you really, really like. Maybe you want to see the more expanded weather option, and you just drag it to your desktop. And just like on a Windows computer, you can drag it anywhere you want, drop it, and that's where it's at. Again, in my case, I don't want it. I'm going to remove it and we're done. So the second way is to go up to your clock in the top right-hand corner and do a left click. That opens up your notifications, and right there in your notifications is edit widgets. Same thing, same option. You have all your widgets available. So there you go. You have now 2 ways of getting your widgets back if you want to. Now, funny little thing here that I noticed while I was playing with this is normally the spotlight feature right here. Spotlight search is one of your best friends on a Mac. Super, super helpful. But in this case, edit widgets doesn't come up when you use the spotlight search. So there's just something to kind of keep in mind. In this case, when you're looking to add a widget, you won't be able to find it by using the spotlight search. So there you go. Whether you want a nice, clean desktop, or you'd like to have a desktop with your favorite widgets, now you can have it your way. I'm Sean, the Tech Gremlin Warrior. Thank you for watching.